everyone! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Natalie. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the WordPress dashboard. Whether you're new to WordPress or just need a refresher, this video will help you understand the main features and functionalities of the dashboard. Let's get started. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress site. Simply go to your site, enter your username and password, and click Login. Welcome to the WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your WordPress site. Let's start by looking at the main sections you'll see on the left-hand side menu. First up, we have the dashboard itself, which includes Home and Updates. The Home screen gives you an overview of your site's status and activities. You'll find widgets that show the number of posts, pages, comments, recent activity, and WordPress news. You can customize the screen by dragging and dropping the widgets or by using the Screen Options tab at the top right. The Updates screen is where you can check for and apply updates to WordPress core, themes, and plugins. Keeping everything up to date is crucial for security and performance. Just click the Check Again button to refresh the updates list, and then click Update Now if updates are available. Next, we have the Posts section. This is where you manage all your blog posts. Click on All Posts to see an overview of all your posts. You can see the title, author, categories, tags, and the date each post was published. You can also use the Bulk Actions dropdown to edit or delete multiple posts at once. To add a new post, click Add New under the Posts menu. This brings you to the Post Editor. Here, you can add your content using the Block Editor, which allows you to insert different types of blocks like paragraphs, images, headings, lists, and more. You can also set categories, tags, and a featured image on the right-hand side. Categories and tags help organize your content and make it easier for visitors to find related posts. The featured image is usually displayed prominently on your site, depending on your theme. Moving on, let's look at the Media section. This is where all your media files, like images, videos, and documents, are stored. You can switch between List View and Grid View, and use the search bar to find specific files. To add new media, click Add New, and either select files from your computer or drag them directly into the media library. Once uploaded, you can click on any file to edit its details, like the title, caption, alt text, and description. These details are important for SEO and accessibility. Next is the Pages section. Similar to Posts, this is where you manage all your static pages, like your About or Contact pages. Click Add New to create a new page. The page editor works just like the post editor, with the same block-based interface. Now, let's check out the Comments section. Here, you can manage all the comments left on your posts and pages. You'll see options to approve, reply, edit, mark as spam, or move comments to the trash. Managing comments is crucial for engaging with your audience and maintaining the quality of discussions on your site. Next, we have the Appearance section. This is where you can customize the look and feel of your site. In the Themes subsection, you can browse and install new themes, or activate, customize, or delete existing ones. Let's click on Themes to take a closer look. Here, you can see the currently active theme at the top. Below that, you can browse installed themes and add new ones by clicking Add New. You can search for themes by keyword, filter by features, or sort by popularity and latest. To activate a new theme, hover over it and click Activate. The Plugins section is where you manage all your plugins. Plugins add extra functionality to your site. Click Add New to browse and install new plugins from the WordPress plugin directory. You can search for plugins by keyword, filter by features, or sort by popularity and latest. Once installed, you'll need to activate the plugin before you can use it. Next is the User section. This is where you manage all the user accounts on your site. Click Add New to create a new user, or click on an existing user to edit their profile. You can assign different roles to users, such as administrator, editor, author, contributor, and subscriber, each with different capabilities. In the user profile, you can update the user's personal information, change their password, and manage their role. This is also where users can customize their profile settings, like the visual editor, color scheme, and biographical info. The Tools section provides various tools for managing your site. In the Import and Export subsections, you can import contents from other platforms or export your site's contents for backup or transfer. The Site Health tool gives you an overview of your site's performance and security, with recommendations for improvements. Finally, we have the Settings section. This is where you configure your site settings. In the General subsection, you can set your site title, tagline, WordPress address, site address, email address, time zone, date format, and more. The Writing settings let you configure the default post category, post format, and mail server settings for publishing posts via email. In the Reading settings, you can set your homepage display options and the number of posts to show on blog pages. The Discussion settings allow you to manage comment settings, like the default comment status, moderation settings, and avatar display. The Media settings let you configure the default sizes for image uploads. Under Permalinks, you can customize your site's URL structure for posts, pages, and other content types. Using a custom permalink structure can improve your site's SEO and make URLs more user-friendly. And that's a comprehensive tour of the WordPress dashboard. Understanding these sections will help you effectively manage your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy blogging!